My daughter developed atopic dermatitis at the young age of 3 months. Being a dermatologist helped her to get the right treatment plan in a fast and efficient way. Unfortunately, not everyone has this luxury where their mom is a dermatologist. Patients suffer from atopic dermatitis, and their families tend to go through a long ordeal finding the right therapist and a personalized treatment plan. Atopic dermatitis is the most common chronic skin disorder worldwide and is multifactorial and known for its relapsing and remitting character, of varying duration and severity. In Germany alone, more than 4.5 million people suffer from atopic dermatitis, with about half of those affected being children. Having affected children means that the entire family often suffers. Young mothers, in particular, seek support as they tend to suffer greatly, making them the primary target of this platform, hence being a primary customer and user group for this service. Nia Health provides patients and their relatives a daily support using the medically validated digital companion Nia, a smartphone app that offers holistic support. The personalized content and function of Nia helps to improve the quality of life, making people take responsibility and be active creators of their own health.